Manahu! Hola! Hello friends! Miss Anita here, your Food Corps, Food Sovereignty Program, Garden and Food Culture Educator. Throughout the past few months, we've been learning all about food, the earth, and how human life exists together. During this fall and winter break, I'm going to have the opportunity to travel to New Mexico in order to visit other food course sites and gardens, as well as the students there. During this time, I'm going to be giving you a few updates using a series of short story film documentation. This way, you'll be able to have the chance to keep up with me on my journey to learn about other students and gardens in other parts of the United States. Also, during this time in New Mexico, I will be returning to my home pueblo of Tortugas to take care of my ceremonial duties during the winter season. While I'm away, I'm going to be giving you a great opportunity to connect with me and with your family in the kitchen. During this time, I'm going to open up a raffle that will be a chance for you to win one of 5 prizes. And before I tell you more about the prizes and regulations, let me tell you a little bit of how you will complete this raffle if you decide and choose to. I'm going to be providing you with a recipe book with 4 different recipes. Each recipe that you complete, your name will be included into a raffle for you to win a chance of one of 5 prizes. The raffle will open from November 5th all the way through January 7th. The winners will be announced on January 11th, 2019. I think this is a great way for you to connect with your family in the kitchen during the time that you might be off from school, and also a great way to learn together about food, healthy lifestyles, and all of the natural and local food sources available to us here in the Owens Valley. Now, on to the recipe book. The recipe book will contain one of 4 recipes. Each recipe will be from a grow, go, or glow food source. Because we've already learned about the go, grow, glow foods, I will also include information in the recipe book for you to share with your family and friends. This is a diagram of what grow, grow, and glow foods look like. For every recipe you make, your name will get added to the raffle box. That means if you make all 4 recipes, your name will go into the raffle box 4 times. But all it takes is 1 recipe for you to be entered once. Here are the names of the recipes that I will be providing for you. Powerful Paya, Hungry Hummus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 salad dressing, and Awesome Apple Atole. Next are the rules and regulations. Number 1. You must complete 1 source of documentation to be entered in to win. The way that you'll do this is by completing the recipe with the recipe book that I have provided for you, and then documenting it in a way that is suitable to you and your family. There are 3 different ways to document your recipe. The first one is to submit a digital photo that you have taken of your final recipe product. These digital photos can be emailed to my email that I will provide in the recipe book. The second way to document is you can write a family review and submit it into our Food Corps folder that will be located in your classroom. The third way is for you to draw a picture of your final recipe product. And you will also submit this into your Food Corps file that is located in your classroom. After submitting your documentation, you will fill out a taste bud ticket and return it to your taste bud box that will also be located in your classroom. You must first show your documentation to your teacher, submit it into your folder, and then your teacher will provide you with your taste bud ticket. On the taste bud ticket, you will fill out your name, your room number, and your teacher's name. So this means that I won't get confused with who has been entered and what classroom they're in. Last but not least is a list of the 5 prizes. You can win one of 5 prizes in the new year. The first one will be lunch with me for 6 students. That means I'll be choosing randomly from the raffle box 6 students to have a special lunch with me in the new year in the cafeteria. The second one will be a taste test helping opportunity. That means that you'll get to help me prepare for a taste test in the cafeteria as well as serve it to your fellow students. The third will be a smoothie party for your whole class. I think this is one of the best prizes because it allows you to share your bounty with others. Fourth prize will be dry food goods from the Food Sovereignty Program, which means it can be a number of different dry food goods such as chia, oatmeal, wild rice, cornmeal, or any of the fruits that were harvested from our summer harvest and were able to be dehydrated. Last but not least, the 5th prize will be Food Corps or the Bishop Paiute Environmental Management Program swag. That means you'll have a chance to win a hat, a shirt, a reusable bag, maybe a water bottle, or anything cool that has one of the Food Corps logos or the EMO logo on it. I hope you take advantage of this opportunity to learn and share with your family and friends more about food and how we can prepare it to nourish our bodies. It's also a great way to share all of the awesome things we've learned so far in our food, culture, and garden lessons. With that said, I'm looking forward to connecting with you during the time that I'm gone, as well as in the new year. Awasanu buniwe. Adios. See you later.